What's good, gang? Yeah, I just came from work and shit. Feel me? I'm about to just drink up a beer, go to the crib. Feel me? Take a shower and go to sleep. So don't see me drinking this and be like, yo, how you behind the wheel and you drinking beer and shit? Yeah, I'm not about to drive after this. I'm about to. I parked up already. I'm about to just go take a shower after. You feel me? Do these little videos or whatever. I'm gonna do 1-2 video. Then after I do like a 1-2 video, you feel me? I'm gonna just watch a couple YouTube videos or whatever. But y'all not here for that. You feel me? Y'all not here to hear what I'm about to do for the rest of my day. So basically, today not today, but for this particular video, I wanted to speak on the whole lavate phenomena. So, okay, first things first, the matters discussed in this video are my opinion. So please, don't take none of this shit that I say and then like run with it and be like, yo, boy said this, boy said that. You feel me? But yeah. Pretty much I just wanted to alright, boom. Alright, let me start off. What is a lavate? A lavate is basically when a person goes to a spiritualist and that spiritualist calls the spirit into their head and they become possessed by a spirit, and then now while the spirit is inside that person's head, that spirit washes the head of the client or the customer or whatever you want to call it, of the person. You feel me? So basically, yeah, that's basically what a lavate is. That's when you go to a spiritualist. That spiritualist then calls the spirit into their head, and then that spirit washes your head. To my knowledge, that's what a lavate is. You feel me? I don't know. Maybe other places or maybe other. I don't know. I only seen a couple lavates done, which was mine's and a couple other people who were getting their heads washed, and I assisted in helping them get their heads washed. But I wasn't possessed or anything. You feel me? I wasn't possessed or anything. So that's basically a lavate. And now that we know what it is, the purpose of a lavate or a cerebral cleansing. Basically, the purpose behind lavate primarily is to help that person connect with the spirit world much easier. That's like the primary purpose of a lavate or being on lavate. Woman, you know, I just said tet on some English Yankee shit. Lavate, whatever the fuck you want to say. But that's the purpose of a lavate. You feel me? The purpose of a lavate is to just help the person basically get in contact with the spirits much easier through dreams, and it also helps aid in possession. Like, let's just say, for example, you're a person who gets possessed, and sometimes when you get possessed, the spirit can't fully come down, or the spirit does things such as roll on the ground, dirty your clothes up, just embarrass you, stuff like that. Then, you know, maybe a lavate might help. that might actually help the spirit manifest or possess the person easier. It also helps with things such as dreams. You feel me? Let's just say you're a person who sees, right? You're like fake psychic or whatever, and then you wash your head, you're gonna be like probably like twice as psychic. I remember when I did my lavate that after I did my shit, that was the first time that I had certain dreams. I'm not gonna break down what dreams I had or whatever. I don't know who be watching this shit. But yeah, you'll have certain dreams. Like you might dream that you might wash your head, and then now the spirit's just talking to you way clearer, way more vivid. You just seeing shit for what, like, you feel me? Shit just might, and also it also helps you remember your dreams as well. You feel me? But none of these like things that it does is guaranteed. You feel me? It's not like, oh, if you wash your head, you're guaranteed to you feel me? It's not like that. It's not guaranteed. Like, you feel me? It might work for you, it might not work. You might think it don't work, but really it's working. And then like when it needs to work, that's when it really works. Or you might think it works and it's just a placebo effect. You feel me? But primarily those are the reasons for a lavate. Now, with that being said, basically, like with this channel, I kind of want to inform y'all. You feel me? I want to put y'all on. You feel me? I don't want to lead y'all down the wrong path and shit, like most other spiritualists and shit that be leading niggas from the truth just to like capitalize on you. I'm not a spiritualist. I don't need your money. I don't want your money. I'm good. I got my own money. I go to work every day. You feel me? So it's like I don't need your bread or anything like that. But there's something I want to tell y'all. The people that tune into my videos. You feel me? When you tune into my videos, I put y'all on. You feel me? I just want to warn you guys. Be careful with the whole head washing thing. Because, you feel me? Basically, when someone washes your head, like, that person basically has a lot of power over your reality now. So, you feel me? I'm not gonna say too much, but you put two and two together, you feel me? You let somebody wash your head, just know you in the palm of that motherfucker's hands. You let somebody wash your head, you in the palm of their hands. If they wanna crumple you, they can crumple you. If they wanna just crumple you and throw you in the fucking garbage bin, they could do that. You feel me? So be cautious with this shit. Don't just go bring your head to random people like, yeah, go ahead, wash my head. No, don't do that. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you get to know these people. Make sure you know how they treat others. Make sure you know if they have integrity or are they some sneaky, slimy, you feel me, money hungry, dirty motherfucker. You feel me? You gotta learn these things. You wanna make sure that somebody that washes your head is somebody that really, really genuinely fucks with you, bro. You don't wanna let some random person wash your head. And then now when this person is doing bitch shit and you not with it, now this person starts threatening you, saying certain stuff. So basically, yeah. Make sure when you bring your head to somebody, bring it to somebody who's not gonna violate you afterwards. Because, yeah. That's basically what I want to make this video about. About the whole lavate thing. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I'm about to do another video after this. I'm gonna try to get as much videos out as possible. You feel me? I wanted to do this video before work, but you feel me? Them niggas, they asked me to basically come in early or whatever. So I didn't even get to do it earlier, but you feel me? Y'all got y'all video now, so I'm about to do another video after this one or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna just try to come up with more ideas, and who knows, I might upload 3, 4, 5 videos tonight, you know what I mean? Depends on if I could come up with topics. Cause I don't wanna just like make videos about just regular not regular, but I don't want to just make videos and it's just like, you feel me? Just talking, not learning shit. I'm pretty sure y'all niggas learned something from this video today. Half of y'all be feeling to get shit done to y'all, not knowing that, you feel me? You're basically bringing this person your life to do whatever they want with you and all that. And then, yo, I don't like when niggas could hear me. I'm talking about voodoo shits, man. But yeah. Yeah, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that. And yeah, thank you for tuning in.